In this video, I'm going to show you how you can unblock someone on TikTok. So if you had blocked any account or profile and you wish to unblock it, it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and open your TikTok account, log in with your username. From here, you should see the three ellipses or lines. Go ahead and tap on them and choose settings and privacy. Under this, go ahead and under account, go to privacy. And from here, scroll down until you see blocked accounts. Now, if you tap on this, here you'll be able to see all the blocked accounts that you have. As you can see, I currently have one. And to unblock it, I'll just go ahead and tap on unblock. And as you can see, the status now has been changed, which means now if I go back to blocked accounts, I will have none. So that's how you can unblock blocked accounts on TikTok. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.